All right, let's get a car going. Let's see this thing in action. Stand up.
I want to see what has got.
Oh.
It got cooked out. Yeah, my brother, no! Let's see the 2 Corvettes go.
Ooh, here we go. Is that a 63 split when the Corvette? No. Oh. Okay, here goes. Here goes. Oh, nope, the Corvette can't make it.
Wait, what? No.
The Corvette just doesn't make it. Oh, no, that Corvette doesn't make it either. Whatever that car is did great. And it's going again. Up, round, round, down, back up. Pretty wild.
No.
Look at those insane jumps they got in there. Look at that. And this is the most insane jump. All the way down here. All the way up to this blue. Pretty awesome rig. And roll the intro. They seem to have done it.
We have 3 people.
Yep.
3 people.
3 people on.
Cowboy dance.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Art to Vette YouTube channel. My name's Trevor. I hope that you guys enjoyed that little intro of the Hot Wheels track. That was one of many, many gifts that, thanks to you guys, my boys received. And I'm just blown away. Absolutely blown away by the support that we've received this year, that we've gotten. All the love that everybody's shown us. And I'm getting goosebumps. You probably can't tell, but like, God is amazing, and all these little blessings, all of them, just continue to add up. And my focus is on that, on God, on the blessings, accepting these blessings, getting rid of that negativity, not looking at it anymore. Am I still unemployed? Yeah. And that's negative in ways, but I choose to not make it a negative. I choose to make it a positive. And I know that throughout this year I've helped some of you also look for these positives and turn that negative into a positive. And for that, I just thank you. Thank you for telling me that. Telling me those stories of you guys struggling, and through me being honest and open with you guys, it also is helping you. So I appreciate it. I hope that you all had a very, very wonderful year, because looking back on my year, to be totally honest, it was a actually really good year. But how? It's 2020, dude. What are you talking about? It's not a good year. It's a terrible year. The world ended. Well, the world began, and it taught a lot of lessons. And, you know, one of them happens to be looking up to the Lord and accepting these blessings. That is a big one for me. So, even though 2020 was really, really rough, hang on. Whew. All right, we're back. So anyhow, with that all being said, 2020 has turned out to be a pretty decent year. It could have been better, but here's the thing. We have to go through the storm to get to that rainbow. Soon, there's going to be a rainbow, and it's going to blow us all away. Me, you, my kids, everybody. We're going to be taken by surprise, and it's going to be amazing. And I cannot wait for that to happen. And now they're driving their RC cars. And so, anyways, what I wanted to get into today is to thank everybody, to wish you all the best. And I want you all to know that I appreciate each and every one of you very, very much. we've officially hit 290 subscribers. Now, my goal for the year was 1,000. You know, if you guys watched my Sunday video, last Sunday I mean, yesterday's video, you'll find out that we're no longer calling them goals, we're calling them intentions and why we're going to do that. And Cohen would like to show you guys something. Here, bring it back here. Okay, ready? Dun, 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 dun.
Hey, what it? Boy.
It's as big as you.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see Gravedigger Drive. Woo! Off and away. I think needs charged. I think.
Die.
Yep, he needs charged.
No.
Yeah, he needs charged. Oh ho ho. Yeah, he needs charged. He's a little dead. Well, we're gonna go put Gravedigger on the charger, get him ready to route up for another day of exciting adventures, and I really, really can't wait until I have a GoPro to attach to that stuff and put little clips of that in these videos, because it's just so cool to see the boys' face when they drive an RC car. See how they drive an RC car. Oh yeah. And a Paw Patrol button. I'm not sure what that is. Okay. You're so adorable.
Ow.
So on that note, tune in tomorrow because we are going to be going over my 2020 goals and we're going to review them and see what we accomplished, what we didn't accomplish. And again, we're not going to call 2021 goals. They're going to be 2021 intentions.
Down?
Oh no, we can't show them that.
No, don't.
No, they can't see that. I know it's a Nerf one, but no, you can't show them that. We're getting in trouble. Okay, fine. Show it real quick. Okay, there we go. That's it. They're so amazing. I don't know what I'd do without them. Anyhow, I hope you all have a wonderful evening and a wonderful week this week because it is the end of a good year and it's going to be an even better year next year. So keep your heads up, keep pushing, and we will catch you in tomorrow's upload. Have a wonderful night. Oh yeah, smash that like button. Don't forget to click the red subscribe button. And what do we want them to do? Drop those ring that bell, but drop those comments down below. And ring that bell, he says. Hang on, you tell him. What are you doing? I don't know what he's doing. Here he comes.
We did back and throw that stir and we did it night and we did it.
Good job, Bubba. Good job, Bubba. And then we're just gonna do this.